If you are giving a speech and in that speech you feel somewhere you spoke out wrong, means there was a grammatical mistake, or there was a pronunciation which was not right, means you mispronounced a word, and you somewhere get aware of it after speaking that. So I think you should not stop your speech in between. You should not stop from talking out more and I have seen many motivational speakers, TEDx speakers, they speak out good, but they also do some kind of grammatical mistakes. And I think there is no harm in that. We are human beings, we do mistakes, this is natural. And we actually, if doing any kind of mistakes intentionally, then we must know what we are doing and we must learn how to correct them, how not to carry on those mistakes in further situation. We should look after that. But if we unintentionally doing any kind of grammatical mistake, then it's okay. Even when I speak for these videos on YouTube, I do some kinds of mistakes and I feel like that I should not stop myself from speaking more and more because of these mistakes. If I get bothered on those mistakes, I can't speak more, I can't describe much, I can't tell people what to do and what not to do. I will only concentrate on my mistakes, on my things. So this thing should not be there. I feel so, I personally feel so. So in your case, you should also go ahead in spite of doing mistakes. If in a speech, if you are giving a speech and in that speech you feel somewhere you spoke out wrong, means there was a grammatical mistake, or there was a pronunciation which was not right, means you mispronounced a word, and you somewhere get aware of it after speaking that. So I think you should not stop your speech in between. You should not stop from talking out more and more, because these kinds of mistakes go on. Even I have seen in case of many TEDx speakers, when they speak so good, people really listen to them. They generally speak so good, and in one or two cases I have seen they have done little mistake and still they did not get bothered. Don't you think that they were unaware of those mistakes? They were really unaware of those mistakes. That's why they spoke out in that way. And afterwards, maybe they get aware of those mistakes, that they have mispronounced a word or did a silly grammatical mistake. But still, they did not stop themselves from talking more and more. So this is the thing you should also do. At first, in the beginner stage, if you are somewhere in your spoken English journey, you must know in which stage you are. If you are in the beginner level, concentrate on quantity of speaking. Concentrate on quantity. Be descriptive. If you are saying something on a topic, try to say it in a more descriptive manner. If you need to give one example or two examples, or if you need to speak out a story, means you are giving one kind of example, so go on in that procedure. Don't think like that you have uttered a word in a wrong way, it was a mispronunciation, or you have done a silly grammatical mistake 2 lines ago. Don't think like that and don't stop yourself from there. You should go ahead. You should speak more and more. Speak ahead. So that's all for today. Thank you. Take care. Bye.